Hi guys, thank you for tuning in today. It is Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and I'm going to share with you Paper Pumpkin. I'm going to make one of these cards from the card kit and show you how to put that together. And there are instructions in the kit. This is the Grown with Kindness instructions from February 2019. And we're going to pick one of these cards. I'm just going to pick my favorite one. They're pretty much all the same as far as steps. Very easy to put together. If you have already subscribed to this kit, you can just follow along. If you have not, you could subscribe at, if you can go to sweetpiecesbyme.com, there will be a blog post about the March kit. And if you sign up before March 10th, you get a free stamp set. And we're not talking just a little teeny tiny little stamp set like this. You get a nice big stamp set. And Stampin' Up! Has given a clue to that. It has something to do with balloons, I think, because it said it's sure to pop. So I'm thinking balloons. So if you are interested in signing up, please go to my blog. There's more information. If not, just follow along. I'm going to make some cards, or at least one card, and then I will make a couple of alternate cards coming up, so be sure to stay tuned for that. We'll make some alternate cards in my next video. So, let's see here. Okay, yeah, stamp tags and background pieces. Layer the panels. Okay, tie the tie adhesive. Yeah, that makes sense. Tie and or adhere baker's twine. I have a little bit of a cold, so I apologize. I am a little stuffy. So I'm just taking out the glue dots, the dimensionals, these cute little, what are those called? Those little, I don't remember those dots. Enamel dots. Baker's twine. We have black and white baker's twine that's rolling around here. Here are our envelopes. We need one of those. We have gray. That's cute. What do I want to do? That's very cute. I don't know. Let's just look at one of these pictures. I really like the U one with the gray. So I'm going to do that one. I mean, I'm going to make them all, but I really like that one a lot. So let's grab what we need for that. It looks like the white base. I think it's this one. It is so hard to see. And I need my reader glasses. It's that background. Okay. So as you can see this pattern, it's very, very light. You want this background, so just fold that in half. If you have your bone folder, you can, go over that crease, but I do not, so I'm not going to do that. You're going to want to, this is like super simple, and you're going to notice with Paper Pumpkin, these kits are extremely easy. Anybody can put this together, and it's made that way. This looks like the black. It's so weird. It goes around the white cardstock. You can see here. But I don't want to do that. I don't want it to be around the white. I'll show you. This is hilarious. I know. I have this honkin'. It is honkin'. It is ginormous glue. Tape runner, but that's because I currently, and I'm having issues here, I have currently run out of my, well, I have adhesive, I just need the base. Anyway, that's good for scrapbooking though, it lasts forever, so, okay. Just put this on as evenly as possible as you can. And it has the black baker's twine. The instructions say 10 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches. Baker's twine, adhere with the glue dot, blah, blah, blah. So you don't need 12 inches. I don't know what. I mean, I like to just wrap it around the back. Let's cut this. And then let's cut another little 5 or 6 inches. That's probably too long, but that's okay. They give you extra anyway, so if you like your bows kind of big, great. Okay, done. Little adhesive on each end here. So I'm gonna take my baker's twine, wrap it around here, kind of underneath the U, so you could see the U. Probably no, a little. I went a little extra, but that's okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's not. Maybe it's allergies. I don't know. Then we're gonna. Oops. You can go ahead and stick this on. Some more adhesive here. Again, this is the Paper Pumpkin February kit. Stamped by Stampin' Up. Oop, that is upside down. Did you even notice that? They will be coming out with the March 1, which will have a full-size stamp set. So be sure to get in on that, 'cause it's going to be amazing. It's going to be great. I don't know you. So it says you, and I can say, you are wonderful. You are beautiful. You are and do incredible things. Life is tough and so are you. I guess I'll just do you are beautiful. I don't know who I'm gonna send this to, but might help if you have a block for this. But we're already at 7 minutes. How is that possible? I have no idea, but sorry I don't have my crap together here. I said crap on YouTube. Whatever. Okay. So, photopolymer stamps. You need an acrylic block. There you go. You are beautiful. This needs to be stamped on the, oh, man. Looks like it's also late. I'm sorry. It's like 11 o'clock, and I worked today, and then took care of the kids, put the kids to bed. I'm tired, but I really wanted to show you all this. So just grab one of these. This is fresh fig. Oh, so pretty. And ink that up. Now, some people believe in priming your stamps. So that just means that you ink it up and you stamp it off a couple times. And that's priming it. So the ink will stick better on there, I guess. So do it because you're supposed to. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just trying to put that in the middle. You are beautiful. And I'm just going to grab a dimensional here. Let's do 2 because that would look better. That would be better. And stick this right on here. Just put a little bit lower. So, oh, so cute. And it's beautiful. Like, you're beautiful. Okay, where's my glue dots here? Let's grab my glue dots. Again, if you're not familiar with the kit, it is $19.95 a month. You can start it and stop it at any time. So that's the benefit of having a kit club. I just grabbed a glue dot there. And you can put this anywhere. I'm going to put it kind of right on the corner right there. on top of that. It's cute. And then, of course, if these are too long, we can trim those. I just trim them a little bit so that they're not hanging out of the card. And then grab a couple of these little clear dots and 2 or 3 per card. They say put them in 3s. I don't know who they are, but the crafter gods say do it in 3s or else. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. But there you go. So pretty. You are beautiful. Paper Pumpkin February kit. If you like my videos, please subscribe and stay tuned. I will be providing you a couple of alternate videos, and we will make a couple more cards using the same stamps and embellishments, but we'll make a couple of other alternate projects with it. So please like my video, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.